The Kit Bok Cancer Care Foundation, in collaboration with True Workers Enterprise Mongap Multipurpose Cooperation Society, has unveiled their collaborative initiative, the Fundraiser Concert, Scaling Heights Park 2024, scheduled for January 27, 2024 at Marbisu, Mongap. The event aims to raise funds for supporting cancer patients and their families. Banila Dakar, spokesperson for the foundation, said that the primary objective of the concert is to provide substantial support to individuals grappling with cancer and their families through the funds that will be generated from the show.
On the 22nd of January 2024 at St. Paul's High School, Mini Stadium, Marbisu. Your support and presence at the event would be a blessing for the families that are also fighting against this grave disease.